we don't really have anything official to plant a plot with, but I've got some seed I need to use. So he's just gonna break her up best he can with the old tractor. And we'll see what happens. Amateur food plot 101. This is all no-till stuff, so we'll see. So we got the teeth down. I'm just gonna stir this up, throw the no-till out, and rake it in. If it grows, it grows. If it don't, it don't. We had a nice plot deal with Nick we borrowed a couple years ago and used, but we don't have access to that right now, so we're gonna do the best we can. I had some seeds from last year. I don't know if it's bad or not. This is a no-till anyway, so hopefully something will come up. We'll see. Alright, we've got 2 bags of throw and grow, no-till, and a bag of winter bulbs. This is very amateur food plotting at its best. I got some fertilizer, everything recommended on the internet to use 19 Mo's and having last night, so I was something else. Well, 13. Hopefully that works. We'll see. That's it. We didn't video much, but basically we threw the no-till down and threw in some winter bulbs, put the fertilizer out, and raked it in, and we'll see if it grows, hopefully. Found a friend.
JD,
Willie.
you want the turtle?